Is this the real life? Let's add some fantasy. With the NGC app and glove, it's as simple as drawing a few lines. And with my car buds on, I can experience so much more. Now, all ready to immerse in virtual reality. Thanks to the Google AR Core technology, the NGC turns my smartphone into a 6 degrees of freedom multi-controller, fully compatible with the enormous world of SteamVR. I don't need anything more to experience all the fantastic worlds and thrilling emotions of leading VR games. And the best thing? I don't have to be attached to a console. No cables, no additional devices. The NGC brings mobility into the world of virtual reality. And it's supposed to give us freedom, right? So let's take a look. With the NGC and world-scale VR, possibilities are endless. Now let's take a look at how this works. When we have goggles on, we can't see, and flat screens don't really tell us where the keys are. But still, with NGC, I can easily operate using my smartphone controller. How? The NGC patented real-time finger tracking system shows you the keys as markers. If you miss one, they turn red, and the placing of your fingers becomes visualized. Let's see it in action. Full control. And don't worry, after a few minutes, you will completely forget about these markers, and the whole thing will become entirely intuitive. Also, super comfortable, thanks to the ergonomic NGC glove made with high-quality materials. You can move it to perfectly fit any hand. Change settings according to your preferences, and be sure that your smartphone is stable even during the most intense gameplays. Basically, the NGC is like a portable console. Why buy some crazy expensive sets or gadgets when you can just use the potential of the powerful device that you probably already own? Your smartphone. Choose the game, hook the first phone up to the TV, and use the second one as a gamepad. Thanks to the NGC app, everything will cooperate smoothly. And rest assured, this glove will boost your gaming performance, and you will experience immersion on a new level. Which doesn't only apply to games. Can you imagine controlling RC devices with just subtle movements of your hand? Don't. Just try NGC and be at one with your drone. And with FPV glasses on, you can really experience flying in an entirely new, extremely immersive way. And the NGC might be the future of advanced drone controlling, because let me tell you, with this glove, you can smash drone racing. But you know, the NGC isn't just for fun. For example, you can use it while rehabilitating. Instead of tiring yourself out with visits to a special center, get back in shape at home with the aid of dedicated games. Have fun and heal fast. All of this is just a fraction of the NGC potential. It has been developed for 10 months now by a remarkably creative team with great experience in IT, and already it's the most versatile solution in the world of controllers. NGC is not limited to games, but can be beneficial for education, business, medical support, and above all, developing web VR. Let's hear from the creator himself.
The revolutionary concept for the new generation controller was inspired by the work of Steve Jobs and touchpad haptic technology. We believe this is the best intuitive and natural way of control. We are still developing our product and extending potential features. Possibilities are endless, but from now, everything is in your hand. Support us and help us develop our product so that you could become a part of the next VR revolution.